door of my own testimony or mission report or what. So it happened to me that one time I got the child. What really happened? Oh, 4 months ago, my doctor told me that I have poor circulation. Seeing the work that I do, I have to stand up daily and sometimes work hard on my feet and so forth. Anyway, while I went to the doctor, I have a scab also on my feet on the ward sheet. You should ask why. The doctor said to me, Mr. Blackstock, you need to know. I said to the doctor, I born home like I know. The doctor said to me, Mr. Blackstock, if you work with me, you will get better. I said, yes, sir. After went to the doctor 3 days in a week. Each day I went, it cost me like $2,000 or sometimes I have to pay like $6,000 or so. I remember I have $20,000 at my house. And the $200,000 was finished in like 2 weeks or so. Alright. My wife, she come around me and, you know, she's crying sometimes, but sometimes when I think she just get up and look at me and I know. But I remember one morning, I get up and when I get up in the morning, sit down and he said to me, and I said, Lord, I'm not so your baby. I remember I love to wear shorts. And I have about 10 pair of shorts and I do not wear one. And I said, Lord, I saw you about. I saw you about here, Lord. I saw you about me. He said, so anyway, go to the doctor and go to the doctor treatment and go through the course of what really happened. The nurse said to me, I said to the nurse, will I get a Christmas present? He said, no. He said, will I get a birthday present the 9th of February? He said, no. He said, then what type of present I will get? Because I need to get this thing because I cannot bear the pain and everything. Alright. During the time we get the doctor treatment and everything on one, you know, I remember I started to pray. Every morning I pray, even when my wife gone to work and she drive on, so I could get the drive to go to my shop or whatever. So, but I still sit and pray. And the next week when I went to the doctor said to me, I said to the doctor that I feel a big difference still. And the doctor said, sure. Would you believe me? The said nurse that gave me like 4 months or so, 2 weeks after, the nurse come back and said to me, Mr. Blackstock, you do not have to come back. Anytime you come back here, all you have to bring the Medicaid tax and you will be alright. So the doctor put out the bandage, the doctor called 4 nurse and said, nurse, this is something that I have never seen before. Imagine, I give this man probably about 4 months or so, and in 2 weeks time, the turn of that cancer. Understand? The only thing, the more you finish work, thank God and every day and pray.